Hello friends, I'm back with another tutorial video on WSL. Let's start the video. It will be interesting. So let's start the. As you can see, it is mentioned that approx 1.5 lakh people are using WSN right now, and it keeps increasing day by day. Why use WSL? Do you even know the what does WSL stands for? It is for Windows Subsystem for Linux. And why to use that? Can access the power of both Windows and Linux at the same time on a Windows machine. Uh, it is really handy for those who are setting up Linux servers and who are searching for virtual machines and paying for those RDPs every time. It is really helpful tool for them, and even it lets the developer install a Linux distribution such as Ubuntu, Kali, Debian, Arch Linux, etc., and use Linux application utilities, bash line, command line tools directly on Windows without overhead of traditional virtual machine and dual boot setup. As I mentioned, this is really easy to use and really fast. We can access the Linux command line and do some simple tasks in CLI using the bash language or the Linux's own commands, which may vary for different distributions like Kali or Debian. These are Kali and Debian, these same commands, like, but in Arch Linux you use different types of commands for even installing packages and updating those. What are the prerequisites for WSL? It should be Windows 10 version 2004 or higher, or it can be in just Windows 11. Distributions under WSL, which we can see the distributions are Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, Kali, Debian, Arch Linux. The downloading links I have given in the description also. Please check it out and let me know which other distribution you like to see in WSL or use. Now let's see how we can install WSL in our Windows system. Now let's see how we can install WSL in the machine. I have Windows 11 installed in my machine, and it will be quite same for Windows 10 too. Just go through going through it. This is a link of by Microsoft itself. I will give this link in the description. You can check this out and see here it is written the command. You can just copy and then open the terminal, Windows terminal. Just type terminal, or you can just right click on the Windows logo button, and here you can also see the option of terminal. Just open it, and paste the command WSL install. It will take some time. Make sure the machine is connected to the internet, and the installation time depends on the machine and the internet too. As you can see, the installation has been done. You might be wondering, why did it install Ubuntu? I didn't mention anything like Ubuntu. For WSL, the Ubuntu is default. If we don't specify any distribution in the command itself, it is default. So after installation of Ubuntu, I will show you how to install any another distribution which you want. For this, let's follow the prompt. Enter new Linux username. I'll just use my channel username. it's asking for password, and you can type password, and don't worry if the cursor doesn't move. It is capturing the password. It is for security. I'll just put 1 2 3 4 5. You have to retype 1 2 3 4 5. You can see installation is successful, and we are in. If we write like sudo apt update, it is asking for password. It is 1 2 3 4 5. See, it is working. It is fetching the packages from the Ubuntu server. See, it is working perfectly. And let me just show you something. Yes, see, it is working like a normal Linux. If normal Linux CLI, you can see if I install the Symmetrix package and try, is the same, actually same. You can even use the ls command for listing the directories. As I haven't made any, so let me make any. See, the new folder is created, and for exiting from this, you have to type just exit. Yes, you are in Windows terminal right now. And I was telling about installing any other distribution. I will be posting another video. It is really long video already. I will post another video on which we are going to install any other distribution and try some of the basic commands which are generally used in Linux. And thank you. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And bye.